Hi guys. So what was the last exercise?
Give me like the first
The one we just finished.
Oh. Feel the words.
Right. How did we do on that? How did you do on that?
I did not even say one single word.
That's hard to believe.
No, it's
I
true.
think we had trouble remembering to listen, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sit down and tell me what the next one's going to be.
The
Eva.
next one's gonna be always looking at your hand.
Okay. At your hands? Paying attention to your hands, appreciating your hands. What are the kinds of things your hands do? What are the kinds of things your hands do?
They pick plants when there's fruit on them.
Mm-hmm.
They eat. They help you eat.
Yeah, and they take good care of you, don't they? How do they take good care of you without sometimes you even noticing?
Because they're good for your body.
Well, like if you're gonna touch something hot, they pull away. Even when you're sleeping, what do they do when you're sleeping?
They take care of you.
How?
By pulling your blanket up and...
Yeah, without you even knowing, huh? Yeah, alright. So this time we have to pay attention to our hands, watch them to see what they look like and what they do. Watch them when they're still. They do different things. Your left hand might be doing one thing, your right hand might be doing another one, right? And like yours right now. Or one might be hugging your sister, the other one might be folding your hands. Sometimes they work together. The right one washes the left one, the left one washes the right one? Yeah. So do you
can
think...
also do...
That's true. I have a question. How are you going to remember to watch your hands?
I have that on my left hand.
What does that say?
Watch me.
Good. Eva, how are you going to remember to watch? How are you going to remember to watch your hands? Move over. How are you going to remember to watch your hands?
Good.
How are you going to remember? Do you remember how you're going to remember?
Yes.
What? What are you going to do to your fingers? What are you going to do to your fingers?
Paint nails.
Thank you, Kiko. You're going to paint your nails to remember to wash your hands? Okay.
Yeah.
I think you guys are going to get a goofball award for today. Alright, so say good luck, everybody.
Good luck.